Years of abuse left me a mess, my heart broken open wide. The wires in my head had snapped, the darkness crept inside. I stared into the mirror, there was nowhere left to hide. The sirens wailed, the blue lights flashed, a dizzy and blinding haze. A sudden jolt, a shocking snap, wiped out my past days. They dragged me off the pavement, just a shell of who I'd been. The man I was gone, that was the beginning of the end. The doctors said they had the cure, a label for the pain. A woman's soul trapped deep inside, they washed away the stain of sadness, fear and panic, with a promise and a pill. I changed my name, I changed my look, trying hard to stand still. I walked the streets with rainbow flags, seeking friendship, seeking love. But every touch was temporary, every smile a fleeting chase. They were driven by a hunger, lust, not a bond, moments in the dark. The emptiness inside me just left a deeper mark. Then a quiet man approached me, not with lust but gentle hand. He didn't see the outside shell, he saw the broken land. He spoke